Programming is a way of giving instructions to a computer to perform specific tasks. It's like telling a computer what to do step by step. Why you should learn programming? Well, for programming solving skills for one. Programming helps improve logical thinking and problem-solving abilities. For creativity, to create your own games, stories, and animations. And for future opportunities, there are many careers today and in future that will require programming skills. Examples of programming are in games, apps, and websites, which are all created using programming. The basic concepts of programming: algorithm, loop, and condition. With algorithm, it is a step-by-step set of instructions to solve a problem. Like making a sandwich. Take 2 slices of bread. Spread butter on one side or both. Add a slice of cheese, a slice of ham, and place the second slice of bread on top. Cut the sandwich in half. This algorithm shows how to follow a series of instructions to make a sandwich, emphasizing the importance of order in completing a task. Loop, a way to repeat a set of instructions. Example, when you brush your teeth, you might do the same motion several times to clean all of your teeth. Example, you take your toothbrush, you move the toothbrush back and forth. That is a loop. So going back and forth is a loop. Repeat until all of your teeth are clean, so 10 times for each side. Condition is a decision-making process in code. A condition is a way for a program to make decisions. It checks if something is true or false, and based on that, it decides on what to do next. For example, weather and clothing. Scenario would be deciding what to wear based on the weather. The condition, if it's raining, then wear a raincoat. So in real life, the condition is it raining? True, wear a raincoat. False, wear regular clothes. Here is an example which is equivalent to programming. The program will then have a decision to make on whether wear a coat if it's raining or wear regular clothes if it's raining, and make a decision according to that. Now let's set up the environment. Now usually we would use Scratch and Python. Scratch is a visual programming language that uses blocks to create code. As demonstrated, each block is a different size according to the instructions, but all form a puzzle when fitted together. They also come in different colors, which makes it easy to identify. Python is a text-based programming language that is easy to read and write. And now for the tools. There are 2 that I'm going to give you examples of, which are Scratch Online Editor and Idle or Thorny. So Scratch Online Editor is accessible in web browser. Now let's have a look at the Scratch website. These are all the blocks that we spoke about and how they come in different sizes, but they do fit together, and how, according to instructions, come in different colors. Right, this makes it easy for you to identify. We're working on the cat illustration, and you can place the cat in different backgrounds. Now let's have a look at the Scratch website. So this is what the website has to offer. You can create stories, games, and animation. This is in no way sponsored, by the way. So this is a very good website to start working on your programming if you are a beginner. Again, the website is accessible in web browser. Now, the website that we are going to be using for Python is IDE or Thorny, and this is a screenshot of the Thorny website. And as you can tell, these are all the text that we spoke about to give off instructions to the computer. Now let's learn through patterns. We're going to be learning 3 patterns, and the first pattern is simple repetitions. Example in Scratch would be create a sprite that moves in a square pattern. Steps would be 1. Move 10 steps forward. Step 2. Turn 90 degrees. And step 3 would be repeat 4 times. Now in Python, this would be the example. So you move 10 steps forward. You turn 90 degrees. And you repeat 4 times. Now pattern 2 would be, let's do growing shapes. Example in Scratch, draw a growing square. Steps would go as follows. Step 1, move 10 steps. 2, turn 90 degrees. 3, increase steps by 10. And 4, repeat. Example in Python. Move 10 steps forward, turn 90 degrees. Steps would be 10, and range would be 4. Now let's do pattern 3, alternating patterns. Example in Scratch, create a pattern with 2 sprites, alternating colors. Steps would go, sprite 1, move 10 steps, change color. Step 2, sprite 2, move 10 steps, change color. And 3, repeat. And again, these would be the steps in Python. Sprite 1, move 10 steps, change color. Sprite 2, move 10 steps, change color. Now this is a very basic understanding of what programming is. Program is like telling a computer what to do using special instructions. Learning programming can be fun and easy, especially with simple patterns. Patterns in programming involve repeating sequences that can solve problems or create cool designs. For example, drawing a star or making a character move in a game involves organizing and using patterns. By understanding these patterns, you can build anything from animations to basic games. It's like a puzzle, which each piece fits perfectly. By understanding these patterns, you can build anything from animations to basic games. It's like a puzzle, where each piece fits perfectly with logic and creativity. Starting with small projects, you can grasp the basics, paving a way for more complex programming adventures. So hopefully, you'll use the tools provided to create your own small project.